If you're learning French and you still confuse words like amener and apporter, you are making mistakes that instantly make you sound like a beginner. But don't worry, in the next few minutes, I will help you fix the most common French confusions once and for all. Stay glued till the end of the video. So if you say j'apporte mon ami in French, it is wrong. You should rather say j'amène mon ami. Here is the rule. Amener is for people and apporter is for things. So you bring a person with amener, but a thing like a cake with apporter. And a good example is j'amène ma sœur. Ma sœur is a person, so you use amener. J'apporte un gâteau. Un gâteau is a cake, a thing, so you use apporter. Another example is emmener and emporter. Emmener means to take a person somewhere, while emporter is for objects. Now look at the examples. J'emmène mon ami, j'emporte mon sac. Same pattern again, person and thing. Another example is apprendre vs enseigner. Apprendre can mean learn and also teach someone. Enseigner is the verb to teach. So if apprendre can mean to learn or to teach someone, but enseigner is strictly to teach. This one is very tricky. Listen on the next slide for concrete examples. Now, let's look at these examples together. J'apprends le français. I'm learning French. Je t'apprends le français. I am teaching you French. J'enseigne le français. I teach French. So be careful. The meaning changes depending on the structure. Another major confusion is savoir vs connaître. You use savoir for things you know how to do or facts, and connaître for people, places, or things you are familiar with. This one is actually more complex than it looks. I've explained it in detail in another video on Relis Academy. Please go check it out. We also have another confusion, dire vs parler. Dire means to say something specific, while parler is to speak in general. Please take note. Voir vs regarder. You see something with voir and you watch something with regarder. Entendre vs écouter. In this one, hearing is passive, but listening is active. That's just the difference. Which one of them confused you the most? Tell me in the comments and follow Relis Academy for more structured French lessons.